Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, welcome back. Nice to see you. We are gooning out today. Make sure you smoke that like button, whether you're watching me live or you're watching me after. Guys, it has been a wonderful day. And the reason I say that is we are getting clickbaited. We are getting trolled so hard. And most of us naive folks that don't focus on crypto are going, oh, yeah, just another ordinary day. But guys, a lot of you guys are like, "Oh, Teddy, Binance withdrew its $1 billion dollar offer from buying Voyager." And I'm like, "Guys, we had a thumbnail, right? Episode 276, 272, whichever it was, there was a thumbnail and it literally the thumbnail is SEC rejects acquisition offer from Binance to buy Voyager." Right? I went back. I'm like, dude, was this real? It really was. The SEC already botched the deal, regardless of whether Teddy, Binance is going to do this, Binance is going to do that. That doesn't even mean anything. But anyway, let's get to the chat real quick. Red Sox in the building, bright and early. Nice to see you. Oh, I am feeling good. Iron Lux, Trader, Coochie Boy. What's going on, buddy? Nice to see everybody. Selmo Fudd, Mark Noby. Yes, we are back. We are back in action. The goons are out. We're already squatting up. 4 of us in the chat. Make sure you smoke that like button. If you don't have to smoke anything other than that like button, boys, but doesn't help not to doesn't hurt not to smoke that like button. Indeed. Things I want to talk about today, definitely the clickbaity, don't fall for all this Voyager BS. That was a botched deal right from the beginning. And if you think it wasn't, where have you been? Like, come on. Seriously. So I do want to talk about Bitcoin because we did fall from our grace of 30,550. And a lot of you guys did message me, hey, Teddy, last time you were on, the previous week before I'd left, we were doing fairly well above the 29,769 mark. We did retrace. I still believe it is healthy retracement. And we didn't dip below that 26, right? 2,667, right? So that is definitely a very good feeling for me. I continue to be bullish about Bitcoin. I will always be bullish about Bitcoin because I'm a Bitcoin maxi, right? So let's see here. Iron Lux Trader says Voyager is killing me. Hand orange covering yours, dude. So back in February 23rd, I pulled up this article. SEC objects to Binance US 1 billion Voyager deal, alleging sale of unregistered securities. If anyone with a brain, right now is going, hey, maybe they're hinting at something, because guys, think about everything Gary Gensler said is an issue, has become an issue. And yesterday's stream, if you guys missed it, watch just the last 5 minutes of yesterday's stream. You're gonna see Gary Gensler get grilled so hard by the Congress that it was just wild. It was wild to see. But the points were so positive. During his presence, during his term, 2 of the biggest failures happened. Terra Luna, right? And we also have technically Celsius, Voyager, all under his and FTX, all under his uh reign, right? His realm. And it's like, dude, what is this guy doing? Basically, whatever Gary Gensler spits out is the truth. There has been no law change. He said it himself since he has taken office. He has done 0 changes to the law. There have been 0 changes to anything digital asset, anything cryptocurrency related. And this guy is just blindly saying, hey, what I say goes. Hey, you think staking's cool? Guess what? Staking's a security. Unfortunately, that's not how Congress works. That's not how the United States government was made to function. It's not, hey, I can't. I'm sorry, Gary Gensler, you're not Donald Trump. You can't do it. Trump can actually deliver, but I'm just not seeing it with Mr. Gary over here. So Gary Gensler is an idiot, dude. Absolutely, and Red Sox knows. Teddy, Coinbase sues SEC. That's the topic. I know that's the topic, but literally everyone's beating a freaking dead horse. Okay, Coinbase sues SEC. Coinbase really has no other option. If they most of their customer base is in the United States. And if they want to operate, they got that. Oh, they got the sneaky link, Teddy. They got the Bahamas, right? Caroline's gonna be there. She's ready, Teddy. I'm sorry, was it Chelsea? I forget her name. Alameda research lady. All right, but regardless, I'm just, it's okay. So what? It doesn't feel like, oh, this is going to change everything in crypto. Unfortunately, that's an uphill battle. XRP is unwillingly fighting that battle, right? And Coinbase is willingly like, hey guys, I got this. Watch the big boys do it. I'm a public company, bro. This is not the fight that I want to do. This makes me feel like I don't think any of the people would be happily using Coinbase. I think even if it went offshores, right? Many companies have done that. It just feels like an unneeded battle. I don't know. Do you feel that way, Red Sox? What do you think? Do you think Coinbase is right, and they're going to be the 5% of cases that actually win against the SEC? I mean, it could be. We thought that about XRP. How could you forget Caroline's name? Did she mean nothing to you? She meant nothing, bro. I looked at her and I was like, this means nothing. Who was watching this? And they said there was a battle that will take years to get resolved. Dude, exactly. This is not a battle that I want the Coinbase to do. And a lot of these guys, they're all like, oh, this is it. Coinbase suing it to the man, it's either that or it's like, oh, there's so much drama in this space about, one influencer coming after the other influencer. Hey, he funded my project. I'm a better dude. I don't do this. It's like, dude, everyone's funding everybody. There's nothing in DeFi space that you're scrutinizing. So I've been following my fellow YouTubers. I love all my fellow YouTubers. They're great people, and I love the space and what they bring to the space. But sometimes you're just like, wait, who's against who right now? Who's on whose team? I can't figure this out. But I know in the end, if we were all, at a crypto conference, we'd all bond very well. So Coinbase hires all-star team lawyers, so LFG. Oh yeah, and the government does not hire all-star team lawyers. Yo, the SEC is taking back 250 million, 3 billion, 2 billion at a time, bro. Hey, here's another easy 2 billion. Who wants to get paid? Gary Gensler is probably the richest man alive, and we don't even know it. He knows how to hide it, Teddy. I built the blockchain. I taught a class, Teddy. Let me tell you. Oh man, I just want. Oh, it's so miserable. It was so miserable. Roger previously argued that Binance US deal offers the best possible outcome for creditors, right? And this is when Binance US was like, "Oh yeah, let's do this." The SEC back in February 23rd already told Binance US, already was like, "Hey guys, don't do this." You think Binance is going to be like, "Oh yeah, CZ already in hot water, going to come in?" No, it's just not going to happen. So I know Coinbase attacking SEC, but we do have to talk about Binance US. This is clickbait. It's been circulating. Don't fall for it. We already knew this was going to happen, because I don't think anyone in their right mind is right now trying to go after the SEC. I guess except Coinbase, because they have all this money. But even if they do, I don't think that any of their investors want to see that happen. But hey, maybe they set the path and someone needs to do it, and they stepped up to the table. But we already had XRP in there, and it's like wait for that outcome before you come ready to bat. It's like, hey, we already got the batter. It's so disappointing. It's just I just wish. So Voyager Digital, Binance US did send that terminating letter. So it's not going to happen. We're going to see what happens with Voyager. I hope the best for everybody, but it does seem like a lost cause. And at this point, if Gary wants to save face, he needs to do something to get that. Imagine Voyager becomes the governmental exchange, and that's how CBDCs get rolled out. And that's what his plan was the entire time, to just dude, I'm so happy with Bitcoin right now, because like literally all throughout the last week it was looking pretty grim, right? Coming into the weekend, just like down, and finally we got some support, before it even hit my support at 2,666. So feeling very good, guys. This is like amazing. This is exactly where I want to be. And the other fun thing, while this is all happening, I saw most read today, right? I freaking love this. Bitcoin price may hit 100,000 by year end. And this is not from me. This is from like a banking guy, right? Like someone's actually done the work, and he's like, hey, when the halving happens, like everything points to like new high. And any person can tell you that the halving, we've been waiting for it. It's gonna happen. If you guys don't know what that is it's the rewards get halved every set number of blocks. This has been going on forever, since the dawn of Bitcoin, and we're coming up to that halving. So every time a halving happens, what typically happens is Bitcoin's price surges tremendously. So what this article basically hints as is 100,000 by end of year, especially with the halving movement. So a lot of people still come up to me, Teddy, is it better for me to get, what was it? 17 Ethereum, whatever the amount was, 17, 14, 15 Ethereum, or one Bitcoin. And I go, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not better to do one or the other. It's all, you may need to adjust your support level. Bro, I haven't changed these levels in ages. I'm letting it run from this area for quite some time. This is an established support line that I have monitored for quite some time. So I haven't changed this. It's not something I only add. I haven't changed. But yes, I'm literally I'm I just want to know. I just want to know what's going to happen, and it's the hardest thing to figure out. Hey, is Bitcoin going to get to 100K, or is having Ethereum investment of having, 15 something coins, and what's the maximum that can calculator, what's the maximum that can get to? So let's say we have 15 and you just bought in, right? So Ethereum's around 1850. Oh, I missed that. 18. Can I just insert an 8? Oh, no, I cannot. 1850. All right, here. So we're at 27,750, right? So now let's say that 15 Ethereum, and some of you are going to be, Teddy, I went and I staked my Ethereum, so I have more than 15 Ethereum now, Teddy. All right, so you have more than 15 Ethereum now. So now let's say you have what, 17 Ethereum? I'm being super optimistic here. I don't think 17 Ethereum is achievable, but let's say you do. And then somehow with the surge, Ethereum hits what, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000. Like, what do you think Ethereum is going to hit in the next bull run? Realistically, let's say it hits what it hit in the last bull run, 4,000, right? So now with the staking reward and that, you're at 68,000, right? 68,000 with your initial investment of 27,000 something, right? So net profit, and this is all theoretical, not financial advice, guys, but this is something to bear in mind. $41,000 dollars in profit that I'm risking, trying to get whatever. And now let's say that, this is 41,000 I'm playing with, right? And what if the opposite happens? I got in at 1850. Now I have 17 from the staking reward still. But the thing fell. The risk of it falling, let's say it goes down in half. I'm now at 17,000. I was at 27,000 before. I only lost 10 grand. Well, when it comes to BTC, the risk and reward ratio is way different. And that is what these BTC maxis play on, right? So now that 2750 that you got that, what is it, that the Ethereum, let's say you go and get one Bitcoin. Now, if this guy predicts in 1 year Bitcoin is going to be 100,000, right? Your profit margin is 70,000, like almost $73,000, right? So even at 100,000 minus, I got in at 27,750. Let's say, oh my God, my mouse is so annoying. Got that gamer mouse, 72,000. And now let's say it drops, right? So now we got a 20, what? It drops half, 15, right? So 27 is now 15. I mean, compared to where I was with Ethereum, if Ethereum dropped and I got in at 27, the same amount, and Ethereum dropped half, I'm at 17,000, right? Or Ethereum dropped to 1,000, not exactly half. 17,000. If Bitcoin, I invest that same amount into Bitcoin, it drops in half. I'm at around 15,000. That risk is, for me, in my mind, that risk margin. Now I know I can get 70%, at least, 70,000 reward if Bitcoin hits 100,000. I'm going Bitcoin all the way. Now here come the Ethereum maxis, right? Teddy, Ethereum. There won't be a need for any other blockchain because all the gas fees are going to go down. Ethereum has already established the market leadership. Ethereum is going to overtake Bitcoin. And this is where I have my blinders on. I go, hey, Bitcoin all the way. But a lot of these Ethereum maxis, they really see Ethereum hitting in the future 15,000, right? 15,000, 20,000 in a crypto friendly universe. This is something these maxis see. Just like when Bitcoin maxis were predicting 60K, these Ethereum maxis are predicting 20,000, right? And then this is that long hold, guys. This ain't no so let's take that 15, 17. So now over a long period of time, your sons, your daughters, they have children of their own. How much is Ethereum getting used more than BTC? And is Ethereum now 20,000, right? So that's exactly what these guys are looking for. So 20,000. That's 340K in that same period. So I'm now BTC Maxi. I go, hey, there's gonna be like, if my kids have kids, by that time it's like two generations at least. I'm thinking BTC's at 1 million, you know? So that same one BTC that I got in is now worth 1 million. I'm willing to take that risk. So people come to me, hey, what's the better thing? Should I get that 17 or 15 Ethereum, put in a staking pool? It'll be 17 Ethereum sometime in the future. To me, even with my blinders on, I think the answer is like obvious, right? BTC all the way. But like, what if I'm wrong? What if my blinders are really that blinding? Because what people keep hitting me is government regulation on the mining, right? People hate that the power, Teddy. The power is getting used. Everything about Bitcoin mining is related to power. Power. What if governments start cracking down on power and they make it that much harder to mine Bitcoin? But there's already solar farms. There's already alternatives and even renewable sources happening that I just have a hard time seeing any sort of limitation slowing down BTC. Oh, Teddy, Ethereum's ahead of the curve. They got the staking. They got, they already thought this all through. But at the same point, Ethereum still, the founder is still alive. Ethereum Foundation still going. That's the whole point of Ethereum, And there's other chains coming in. I think Ethereum's got some good competition too. They built a great technology, and they're definitely the first people to build the technology. But go Power Rangers, let's go! But won't all these new blockchains provide competition for the ETH chain and drive ETH down? And that's exactly what I'm getting to. I continue to say BTC, but then I have the quantum blockchain guys coming to me and be like, Teddy's still talking BTC. BTC is gonna get hacked. You guys need to move as a whole. They hit me with all this nonsense. It's like the cryptography that's used. Once they can harness enough qubits, they believe that they can um decipher what's going on with BTC. And I am not a knowledgeable person in quantum blockchains or quantum tech. So I don't truly know what the power of qubits can do to a blockchain such as Bitcoin. But I definitely know Ethereum will have a benefit with that because their founder is still alive. There's ongoing changes and they can do those changes. So there are limitations in some tech, and there's not limitations in others. Some people get so used to. I'm sorry, I'm going on a rant, but I love tech. I freaking love technology. But some people get so used to Ethereum type blockchain, they can't fathom that Bitcoin, there are no smart contracts. The wallets on Bitcoin blockchain is completely different than the 0x format you get across the board. They don't fathom that a Bitcoin wallet and an Ethereum wallet is two separate wallets. Like the whole concept is still so difficult for people to comprehend, and that's not a fault of the technology. That is just literally adoption. What I want is adoption. That's what I want to see. The only way I'm going to see adoption is if we make it super easy across the board for every single person. And that's what I'm seeing, guys. I'm not here buying cryptocurrency for profits I want to take now. This is a channel. This is and you can be any type of goon. You can be a goon that's a day trading. You can be a goon that's you know for long-term options, whatever type of crypto trader you are. This channel's here for the long run. I'm doing this as my crypto future because it's literally crypto built for a generation. So that's what I want to see. We're reading this article now in 2023. But really, where is BTC going to be at 2033? Where's BTC going to be at 2043? I'd love to know that, I'm still alive and healthy and enjoying the BTC price, but it'll definitely be a big sad day if I continue. I'm still here doing YouTube 2043 and BTC price is still around 20,000. I'll be the saddest panda in the world. At that point, if that happens, don't listen to anything Teddy says. But if BTC is like a million and it's 2043, you go, man, remember the goon days when Teddy used to talk about BTC? It's coming, boys. The halving. How many halvings are going to happen by the time 2043 happens, boys? Oh, man. It's 20 years from now. Just imagine, you know? Oh man, what else is up? I'm sorry, I went on a freaking rant there. I love technology. I just love adoption. I just want the future to happen. Singularity is such a real thing for me. And I can't wait. I can't wait. I know right now on the 7 day, we're looking very bleak on most of these. A lot of you guys are telling me go look at Doge again. I haven't. I pulled out last time. The other one, XRP 46 is not a bad entry point in my eyes. I am still looking at under 32 right now. Like 32 would be amazing, but I think those days are far behind. But I'm still gonna wait. Matic under $1, great buy in my eyes. So definitely watch that. That's a 15%, probably one of the bigger downs across the week there, following Dogecoin. AVAX and a lot of those AVAX maxis come back. Hey, our chain is the greatest. My purchase time for AVAX was around 12, but I got out around 16, so I'm still waiting. I think there's still room for it to go down. I'm sorry, AVAX maxis, don't come after me, but it's just the reality. Chain link. At some point, most people, you're either using Chainlink or you're going to use Chainlink at some point in your crypto journey. So I definitely big fan of Chainlink. I continue um, to enjoy its technologies. I know many people don't see the advantages now, but I've recently have had to use it, and I believe in what it's doing. Chaka Crypto, let's go. What's going on, Chaka? We're just chilling out, enjoying, gooning out. Make sure you smoke that like button on your way in. And guys, by the way, Atlas Healthline, Atlas Healthline, Atlas Healthline. They're literally they this guy Edward, right? Crypto Life, big fan of our channel, one of the true goons himself. He got us into, as we know, the Boner Bears. We got the Delta 8, Delta 9s, atlashealthline.com, promo code Ganja Goons, no space. 30% off your entire order. No other crypto influencer gets this, right? Only the goons get it. We are the OGs, we're the originals. I was the first person to say yes to Atlas Healthline sponsorship. So I do want to give a shout out to them. Guys, do check them out. If you have a buddy, you have a friend, they're into that vaping, they need to do some, relief at night or whatever literally it may be. AtlasHealthline.com. Whatever it may be, this is your go-to. Where else you gonna go? Make sure over the age of 21, come check it out. They got lots of things here, especially the Delta 8s. I know a lot of you are big fans of them. And I've had Crohn's disease my entire life, and I'm on medical marijuana. So not everyone has the opportunity to be on medical marijuana. Sometimes you need that natural alternative, and this is what you're looking at. So I'm quite happy that Atlas Healthline is sponsoring me. Definitely add anything to your cart. Our biggest thing, if you know the goons, the Boner Bears, right? Now they got Boner Bears honey. They got freaking honey. Like this is real stuff, boys. This ain't no joke. So I you can pre-order it. They expect it to ship relatively soon. So add it to your cart, use the promo code. And I'll show you that right here. Just come in here, enter a promo code. We're gonna enter Ganja Goons, no space, apply. Oh, oh. Yeah, I will find out the code, but it should apply. Maybe it doesn't apply for pre-order actually. You'll have to get the actual product. So don't do the pre-order, but once it comes out, definitely check them out. Delta 8, Delta 9s always by your fellow Atlas Healthline. Dude, they got even crazier things. The Edward called me and he was like, "Teddy, we got this entire shipment of what is it, non-cloggable vaporizers." So I guess the vaporizers don't clog, and it's turned into a whole thing. And I do want to take note of some of the states that they don't ship to. So if you're in one of these states, you're gonna have to find a friend from neighboring state, I guess, and let him know that they got these great deals. And if he can, work something out there. Link in the chat, Teddy. Yeah, link in the chat. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll throw the link in the chat. I made it. Dimes. Dimes, what's going on? But guys, Atlas Healthline, big fan of my channel. So definitely go check them out. Promo code Ganja Goons, no space. Bum bum. Dude, Dimes, how are things? Dude, I'm so nervous for tomorrow, man. I really need to get that Atlanta. But unfortunately, my wife tells me I have a doctor's appointment right when that registration opens up. So I'm gonna have to like either be on my phone in the freaking waiting room and hope I get the registration. I'm not even gonna be near a computer. It's the most disappointing news of my life, bro. I even set up everything. I'm like, dude, if I'm at the doctor's office and this thing goes off, I'm gonna tell the doctor. I even played it out in my head. Excuse me, doctor, just 1 second. I got this NFT thing I got to do. You don't, no, excuse. Okay, you can do the blood pressure thing, but I may have to move my hand so I can try and win the NFT. She's literally hoping I fail, and I'm like, nah, I need this. So you'll see here, I have it up 16 hours. I'm literally gonna have to do it on my phone. It's gonna be sad. I don't even know if autofill works on my phone. So I'm a sad panda, man. I'm a sad panda. I need a miracle. Tell them to bring a 918 spider. 10 a.m. PST. That's 1 p.m., dude. Dude, I'm so wrecked, bro. I'm so wrecked. I'm emotionally and mentally wrecked. Why? Why? All I wanted to do was win a an experience, and this is what happens. This is what happens. But hey, do it, bro. Let's go. Bring your laptop, dude. I may have to. I may bring my laptop and just do it from there. So, yeah, we'll see. I'm literally. I have no words. I have no words. I have nothing to say other than good luck to me. So I think that's one way. So 10 a.m. PST, 10 a.m. PST to EST. So that's 1 p.m. my time. Dude, I need a freaking miracle, bro. Pray for me, boys. Pray for me. Oh, Teddy, I hope you win the Atlanta, Georgia Porsche trip. My wife says no. My wife says it's not going to happen. So she's all right. I've already proven her wrong once. We got the Belgium trip. So we got to get the Atlanta and then hopefully Germany. uh, we got a long way going. What is this? What are these guys sending me? One second, guys. Someone's just messaged me. All right. Yeah, Ethereum, great day. Yeah, Maxis, you're happy. I know. BTC, we're coming. 100K is gonna happen. Just be ready for it, dude. And the other thing, I had two messages, and this time not from Gucci Boy regarding NFTs. I did not buy any of the Series 2 Trump NFTs. I just need some more ETH. Once the ETH comes in, I will be making those purchases. But as of right now, I gandered at what was there, and I'm trying to make my next move. But I want to make sure I get them at the right price, because I do feel like now they got more money, because now they have two sold out collections. So they got to put that marketing money in there, right? I don't know, boys. Imagine, oh, Teddy, I got bankrupt. I got sued by the SEC. Teddy, they came after old Trumpy, Teddy. So I really hope there's something there, dude. This Mutant API Club, man. If I can get enough ETH, I would purchase one of these and just hold on to it for as long as I can. 9759 10.9 ETH. Because I actually talked to two of the holders, or I think one holder, or maybe they were both holders, but regardless, one definitely 100% holder. He had a couple of these in his wallet, and he's a big believer in this brand, so, or in this NFT, sorry, but everything he wore was MAYC branded, like his tracksuit, his shirt. I had to take pics of him. He was pretty cool, dude. Yeah, these look pretty cool, and even if you check out the activity, they're pretty much sideways, because everyone knows about them. They're going sideways. There was a point where the average price was 40 ETH, and these guys, even this guy himself, is held on all the way to 10 ETH right now. So bull run comes in. He's hoping this goes back up. So now I start questioning myself, hey, is this the right time to buy? Knowing, right, this is all time sales, knowing the first time we've seen this was around 7 ETH, right? And now we're right around that 9-10 ETH. And this is where you started, hey, what's this NFT do? What are the things that this is going to do for me? And that's what it turns into. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm excited. Yep. One day, boys, one day we're gonna collect all the NFTs, Teddy. We're gonna get all of them, Teddy. Don't you worry, Teddy. Dude, I even bought what were those NFTs I bought? MMAI NFTs too. I bought some of those. Oh wow, 1.48 ETH. 1.6 ETH. I mean, the ETH. I mean, yeah, they're going back up. I think because it used to be a little less than this. Yeah, see, last sale 0.96. So even the Porsche NFTs seem reasonable, dude. And I was talking to a bunch of people that had multiple. There was this few couple of them that had all the roads, and it's just like, what the heck? You think there's some utility to come with them later? The Trumps. That's what I'm starting to think. What if you have all series? You hold at least one in each series. Maybe it gives you something. I don't know, but it sounds pretty good. 2184, 21. I can't even remember the one that I minted was 721 100. Mine was like 2024 or something, some crazy number. Yeah, now I have 5054. My stuff looks sick, bro. 1 second. Let's see. Oh, wait, what? Why does it show like this? Just show me the grid. Show me the thing. Show me the thing. Yeah, here we go. Fakey, fake. Wait, this one's real. Oh, yeah, this is me. Dude, I don't know about this girl, bro. I feel like they devalued my. Hey, show me the thing. Let me just refresh here. Here it goes. Dude, look at that. It just looks like a dirty bumper. Like I thought this was supposed to look like so cool. There was no bad colors, but I'm like, bro, what the hell? This doesn't even go together, bro. Why do you do this to me? Why do you do this to me? Hello? What's going on? Got a baby in the house. Wait, at the tuning shop Nature 2.2 ETH floor. 2.49 walnut. What the hell? I did not see this before. I did not know that's the floor prices were 2.49 ETH. I got a baby with me again, so we were gonna close out with the baby for the lucky 5 of us still here. We got a baby. Yep. My wife got her ears pierced. Yep. Looks amazing. Oh, she sees herself. She's so mesmerized. What's going on, baby? What's going on, Adam? You gonna tell all these goons what's up? Or are you gonna eat the mic? Yep. She's she's eating solids now, so we're quite happy. Oh, she's gonna eat the mic. We're quite happy with what she's doing, especially because there's still no teeth yet. So yeah, she's gonna eat the mic. You're getting baby ASMR. You're gonna say something. You're gonna say something. No, she sees something, she's gone. But guys, that's basically it. It's great hanging out with the goons where you stream every day, Monday through Friday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. And I'm working on the channel, guys. I have reached out to some branding advisors to help me out with the goons channel. I really want to bring this growth with all of us together. I want to bring meaningful content to you guys. So I hope you guys see that change in my channel. I've also talked to a few of the Porsche guys, and they said, hey, 22-minute, 47-minute videos are too long. I need to condense them down 12 minutes. So I know Dimes, you're on that bandwagon as well. I am going to release more another video. I'll condense it down 12 minutes. I found an editor that could help me out and condense it. So I'll release those. Be on the lookout for that shortened version. You've already seen the full versions if you're following the channel. But just more user-friendly content. Let's grow together, and that's really what it comes down to. And the major thing I want to talk about, there's still NFTs that the third collection that I still plan to release to the original FOMO holders, as well as any of the Ganja Goons gang holders. We do have that replacement collection coming in, and now that I've experienced Web3 through Porsche, I really think I'm going to make that NFT collection have true meaningful experiences similar to what I experienced with Porsche. So the true goons, if you're down, like, that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna truly do this the right way. similar to what I've done and experienced with Porsche NFTs. I want to do that for my own NFTs. So that is where we're at. That is what's going on with the channel. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. It's been a pleasure. It really has. I continue to be here.